Hello everyone and welcome back to another how-to tutorial. In this video I will show you how to delete all location information from your previous tweets. If you're worried you previously shared private location data on Twitter, don't be. There is an easy way to remove location data. As of the time of this recording, this will only work on Twitter from the web. The first thing to do is click on More icon. And then click Settings and Privacy. Next, go to Privacy and Safety tab and click it. On the right hand side, click Location Information. Click Delete all the location information. You'll be asked to confirm that you want to remove location data from all your past tweets. Finally, click Delete. It might take up to 30 minutes for you to see the results. You have been watching a how-to tutorial from David Reilly. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. To receive notifications about every new video, you can also turn on the notifications bell by clicking or tapping it. You can also leave a comment down below. Your ideas and suggestions are always welcome. Until the next time, take care everyone.